Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain MobileWash app review to say if it was using. So to get started with a quick review about this mobile app. MobileWash is a car wash app that lets you book a wash from your phone and have it done at home or at work. It offers a range of services from a simple exterior wash to a full details and lets you track your technician's location in real time. The app covers many United States cities and it's convenient for people who want a clean car without the drive or the wait. But it is not perfect. Some people say the service can be unreliable with cancellations and poor communication or hidden fee. And customer service isn't always helpful when things go wrong. So while MobileWash can be a convenient way to keep your car looking great, it's a bit of a gamble. Your experience can be smooth or can be a few hiccup sometimes. So once you have the service, your experience, it is not stable. And that's it.